Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to recharge the AC on this 2006 Ford Focus. If this video is helpful, can you smash that thumbs up button for me and leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm? Really helps out a lot. Now the AC recharge port for this thing is in one of the weirdest spots I've ever seen. It's actually located right behind the inner fender right here. So in order to access that, you're gonna have to come down here. Normally there's a splash guard right here. You would undo some fasteners here and you can peel it back, and then you can get in here. And now you'll be able to see well, actually I don't know if you'll be able to see it, but it's right up here. I think you can just see the top of the cap right there. So we're gonna unscrew that cap. There we go. And then we're gonna take our recharge tool. Notice the engine is not running right now, so we're not in danger of getting anything caught. We're gonna take this up there, and we are going to attach that to the port up there. You just push it down and it'll click like that. And then we are attached, and we're gonna go start our vehicle. All right, so now we're gonna start our vehicle. We're gonna have our temperature on the coldest setting, turn our AC on, both of these buttons for max AC. Then we're gonna turn the blower all the way up to 4. All right, now we can recharge our AC. You can see right there the clutch just kicked on, and there it just kicked off. So in order to fill it, we're just going to squeeze the trigger and allow the compressor to draw in that refrigerant. And we're just going to turn the bottle or the can to the 3 o'clock position, then back to 12. Just kind of hold for a few seconds, back to the 3 o'clock position. And you're just going to keep doing this until you get filled. And how you'll know you're filled is the compressor will kick on and the needle will hold steady. See right now when it kicks on, it's drawing it down, and then when it gets down here to about this 25 area, it kicks off and the needle comes back up. It's because it needs a little bit more refrigerant. So I'll end up adding more, but you'll see right here, it kicks on here in a second. You can hear it click right there, and the compressor turns on and the needle draws down. So you'll keep adding refrigerant until it stays on all the time. It doesn't ever kick off, there's no fluctuation like this, and the needle just holds steady right there in the green. So I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, smash that thumbs up button, leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm, and thank you for watching.